Today, we will see how to check whether a two-digit natural number is prime or not quickly. The rule is a two-digit natural number is a prime number only if it is not exactly divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 or 7. Otherwise, it is a composite number. Got it? You can apply divisibility rules to check these conditions easily and quickly. Now, let us apply the rule to check whether 89 is prime or composite. Let us apply the divisibility rules to check easily and quickly. Check 1. Apply divisibility rule for 2. 89 is not an even number. Therefore, according to the divisibility rule for 2, 89 is not exactly divisible by 2. Got it? Check 2. Apply divisibility rule for 3. First, find the sum of digits. 8 plus 9 gives you 17. But 17 is not exactly divisible by 3. Therefore, according to the divisibility rule for 3, 89 is also not exactly divisible by 3. Got it? Check 3. Apply divisibility rule for 5. Observe the unit digit of 89 is 9, which is neither 0 nor 5. Therefore, according to the divisibility rule for 5, 89 is not exactly divisible by 5. Got it? Check 4. Apply divisibility rule for 7. The number without its unit digit is 8 minus 2 multiplied by its unit digit, that is 9. This gives you minus 10. But minus 10 is not exactly divisible by 7. Therefore, according to the divisibility rule for 7, 89 is also not exactly divisible by 7. Got it? So, final conclusion is 89 is not exactly divisible by either 2 or 3 or 5 or 7. Therefore, 89 is a prime number. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more details on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the below playlist. Thank you.